Looking for a reliable seat for your next outdoor adventure? In today's video, we've picked the top 5 best folding chair for camping. Whether you're by the campfire, at the beach, or deep in the woods, comfort matters. Let's dive in. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. GCI Camping Chair. The GCI Camping Chair stands out as a top pick for outdoor enthusiasts who love a little extra comfort while enjoying nature. Designed with outdoor living in mind, this chair features GCI's patented spring-action rocking technology, letting you rock smoothly on any surface, whether it's grass, gravel, or dirt. The freestyle rocker isn't just about movement, though. It's built tough with a sturdy steel frame capable of supporting up to 250 pounds, while the mesh back panel ensures proper airflow, keeping you cool during warm afternoons by the campfire or at backyard get-togethers. The chair's easy fold technology makes setting it up and packing it away almost effortless. Just push the frame out and down to open, or pull the handle up with your foot on the base to collapse it. You'll appreciate the thoughtful details too, like a built-in beverage holder within easy reach and solid armrests offering reliable support.
Number 2. Fair 450 LBS Chair. The Fair 450 LBS Chair is a heavy-duty option tailored for campers who value both strength and comfort. Built with a superior high-tensile steel frame and 22mm tube combination construction, this chair is rugged and reliable, supporting up to an impressive 450 pounds. Its oversized design offers extra room, especially for your legs, with open dimensions measuring 39.37 inches by 24.41 inches by 25.2 inches. One standout feature is the integrated adjustable lumbar support, letting you customize your seating posture to reduce back strain during long afternoons outdoors. The chair also boasts 4 cross-bracing hubs at the front, sides, and back, enhancing stability even on uneven ground. Comfort is further boosted by the fully padded 4-layer 600D rips-up polyester fabric, providing a plush seating surface that holds up against wear and tear. Storage is excellent too, with a large insulated drink holder, side storage pocket, and a cooler section that fits 3 17-ounce cans, perfect for keeping beverages within easy reach.
Number 3. Emmerit 350 LB Chair. If you're searching for a reliable and comfortably cushioned seat for your outdoor adventures, the Emmerit 350 LB Chair is a solid pick. This padded camping chair features durable 600D polyester fabric paired with plush padding on both the seat and backrest, offering a cozy luxury feel for any outdoor setting. Its oversized design provides plenty of room to settle in, with a spacious seating area measuring 39.76 by 22 by 23.6 and an 18.5-inch sitting height. The robust high-tensile steel frame, built with 20mm tubing and 4 cross-bracing hubs at the front and back, ensures extra stability and safely supports up to 350 pounds. You'll also find convenient storage on hand, with average-sized cup holders in both armrests and a generous polyester side pocket big enough for a book or tablet. The chair folds down to a compact 37.4 by 6.7 by 6.7 and weighs about 10.1 pounds. Number 4. Alpha 450 LBS Chair. The Alpha 450 LBS Chair is built for those who don't compromise on comfort or strength when venturing outdoors. This oversized folding camping chair boasts a roomy 25.20L by 36.61W by 39.37H design, and a padded seat crafted from 600 by 300D Oxford fabric, delivering a plush, supportive feel. Reinforced with a hammer-tone powder-coated steel frame and 4 heavy-duty frame supports at the base, this chair can hold up to an impressive 450 pounds without flinching. Added convenience comes in the form of thoughtful extras, like a durable mesh cup holder and perfectly positioned armrests for added relaxation. A side storage pocket is perfect for holding your phone, maps, or snacks, while an integrated cooler bag keeps drinks chilled, a great feature for hot summer days. The chair folds down quickly to a manageable 9.05 inches by 38.58 inches and weighs only 13.2 pounds, making it easy to store and transport.
Number 5. Sunnyfield Camping Chair. The Sunnyfield Camping Chair blends comfort, convenience, and practical storage into one reliable outdoor seating solution. Its thoughtful design features an anti-pinching click-to-lock mechanism that allows you to set up this camping director's chair effortlessly and safely. Measuring 21 by 25 by 36 when open and packing down to 20 by 19 by 5, it's an easy-to-carry, space-saving option for camping, tailgating, or even your backyard. With a sturdy steel frame supporting up to 300 pounds and a lightweight 13.4 pounds construction, it's built tough without being cumbersome. The chair's 600 by 300D Oxwood cloth paired with breathable mesh delivers excellent durability and all-day comfort. Storage is a highlight here. A side table with integrated beverage and phone holders keeps essentials close, while a double front multi-pocket organizes everything from books to keys and snacks. Setting up is as simple as pulling the frame apart and locking it into place, ensuring you're relaxing in no time. Whether you're by the fire, at a festival,